Hi lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in this video we are going to be making another banger hair growth oil. So today we'll be making avocado and carrot oil. This method that I'm about to show to you is very effective on hair. Okay, if you have natural hair, I will advise you to use this oil. It's so amazing. You can use carrot oil alone or you can add avocado, but today I am adding avocado to my carrots. Okay, this is a very nice combination. You are going to love this oil on your hair. It's just going to make your hair long, thicker. I don't know how to describe it, guys. You have to try this oil first. There is no harm in trying it on your hair and see how it's going to turn out to be. Like, you are going to love the outcome of it. It's so amazing. So guys, I don't want to talk too much on this video. I just want you to watch this video to the ending so that you will know all what I did in this video for you to understand very well. You guys know that it is very good to watch video to the ending so that you will know how everything we are done. Okay, so let's get right into this banger tutorial. So guys, the first thing that we'll be needing is avocado. Okay, I decided to use this smaller one. You can use big one, but for me, I just decided to use this smaller one. Okay, I'm just going to cut my avocado into some pieces and then keep it aside. Then I will be using 2 carrots to make this oil. Okay, so before using your carrot, make sure you peel the back. It's very important for you to peel the back. Okay, and now I'm just going to grate my carrot. So now I'm done grating my carrots. I'm just going to squeeze this carrot water into this plate, then keep it aside. Okay, you can choose not to squeeze it the way I'm doing it now. Okay, this is just my own way of making this carrot oil. So after squeezing everything, I'm just going to filter it very well. I'm going to filter it very well, then I will keep it aside. So we will be needing olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and we will also be using coconut oil together. Okay, when you are done adding everything together, try to mix everything together properly, very well. So guys, it's time for me to cook everything together. So I will cook for 5 minutes before I add this carrot juice that I squeezed before. Okay, so when I'm done adding it together, then I'm going to stir everything together. Stir it properly. I'm going to cook this avocado and carrot oil for 20 minutes in a very low heat. When I'm done cooking it, I will keep it aside to cool down. So guys, this is my carrots and avocado oil. It's very, very great on hair. Okay, if you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of my family, and also click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload here on my YouTube channel, you will get to see my notification. Okay, use this oil on your hair 3 times in a week. Okay, make sure you rub this oil on your scalp, I mean under your hair, that is your scalp, because that is the place our hair grow from. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate. See you guys in my next video, in another banger video. Bye.